there, this is Christina with WTI, and who doesn't need batteries? Am I right? So we love the Duracell batteries, and this came in a 20 pack and for a really good deal. We have kids, so we're using batteries in toys. We're using batteries in our remote controls. In fact, recently the remote control stopped working, and I was so grateful that all we had to do was pop it open, pop out those old batteries, and pop in the new ones. We're also using batteries in flashlights, and so we go through them quite a bit. So having this 20 pack is great. We love Duracell. We don't feel like all batteries are created equal. So this brand seems to have good batteries that last a really long time. If you're looking for a good package of batteries that will last you quite a while, I definitely would recommend this one from Duracell, and that's my point of view.